everybody, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you about the hotspot settings of your device Vivo Y02s. So if you want to learn about the hotspot settings of your device, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how to enable hotspot in your device Vivo Y02s.